Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Analysis TV. I hope you're well from wherever you're watching this channel. Now, we all know that on July 11th, 2024, William Samoei Ruto read a statement that fired all his cabinet and the Attorney General.
Decided to dismiss with immediate effect all the cabinet secretaries and Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya.
Now, many Kenyans have praised this move, especially the people from Uasin Gishu. Rift Valley residents have praised the move.
Tumepokea kuvunjwa kwa baraza kutoka kwa Mheshimiwa Rais. Tunampongeza kwa hilo, kuitikia mwito ya vijana pamoja na Wakenya kwa jumla waliokuwa na kero kubwa na hili baraza la mawaziri.
But the people in Mount Kenya have not welcomed the move. Many still believe that Ruto could have done this thing differently. So I want to take you to petitioners. There are 7 petitioners who have accused William Samoei Ruto and taken the issue to High Court, a High Court in Nairobi, to challenge the dismissal of Attorney General Justin Muturi. According to these 7 petitioners, they are saying that William Ruto bullied the Attorney General by unfairly dismissing him. For the people who have been accused, Attorney General is not among the people who have been accused of theft, accused of opulence. So why did William Samoei Ruto have to fire the Attorney General? That question leads us to a petition that has been filed by Dr. Magare Gikenyi and 6 other petitioners. So I will take you through the petition which has been filed. But before you do that, please like this video. It is so important if you like this video. And I'm so grateful for everyone who is liking our videos. I don't take that for granted. Subscribe to our channel if you've not subscribed before. And to existing subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Now, let me take this privilege and read to you a couple of statements that are contained in the petition which has been filed. A petition seeking to undo the move by William Samoei Ruto. Now, this is what part of the petition reads. The President has no powers to dismiss the Honorable Attorney General without adhering to the said statutory conditions within the principle of fair hearing as established in Article 47 as read with Article 236 of the Constitution and or upon the election of the new government. The petition continues like this. The office of the Attorney General is an independent office protected under Articles 243 and Article 249 of the Constitution of Kenya, and hence the holder of that office cannot be removed whimsically without following the statutory and constitutional process. The petitioners have also told the court that the absence of a substantive occupant at the apex seat at the state law office exposes the government to potential defeats in court cases that require counsel of the Attorney General. Now, this is what leads us to this question. Should any Kenyan forward any case in court trying to challenge the government over any policy? There will be nobody to stand for the government. Attorney General is the one who has been doing this. It's because that is why his title is regarded as the chief legal advisor of the government. So Attorney General advises the government on matters legal, not just political, but legal issues pertaining to the Constitution. So did William Samoei Ruto do the right thing by firing the Attorney General? According to the petitioners, they are looking at this matter from a different perspective. If you link all the dots as to the reason why the Attorney General was fired, and you will find that William Ruto could have done this because of something else. It's not just the incompetency of the government. The people who have been accused were the cabinet secretaries. Most of the time, the Gen Zs talked about dissolution of the cabinet, dissolve the parliament, those two entities. dissolve the parliament, dissolve the cabinet. Of course, the constitution says the Attorney General is a legal advisor but attached to the cabinet. So we can as well say that William Ruto dissolved the whole cabinet and wanted everybody to go home. But why did he retain the prime cabinet secretary, who is also a presidential appointee? These are questions which Kenyans are asking, and that is the reason why 7 petitioners led by Dr. Magare Gikenyi have filed a petition at the High Court challenging the dismissal of the Attorney General Justin Muturi. Now, I want us to look at this dismissal from another perspective. You remember the story of Leslie Muturi, the son to Justin Muturi, who was abducted the day after the first demonstration was held. I think it was on a Sunday. He was abducted and then released, I think 2 to 3 days thereafter. And then there was word that he was seen amongst the demonstrators. Could we link the dismissal of Attorney General Justin Muturi to the fact that Leslie Muturi was seen trying to fight the government's Finance Bill 2024-2025? Could that be the reason why William Samoei Ruto dismissed Attorney General? Of course, we can't say the remarks by Atwoli could be the reasons why William Ruto dismissed the Attorney General. That could not be the case. Personally, I have a feeling that maybe because Leslie Muturi was seen demonstrating with the Gen Zs, that could have been the reason why Ruto felt that Justin Muturi should just pack and go. So let's take, for example, in the event that the courts decide to say that the directive by William Samoei Ruto is null and void. What is likely to happen? Will the Attorney General return to office? And who has sponsored Dr. Magare Gikenyi and the 6 other petitioners to file that kind of petition to court? Who is behind it? This is a very difficult move, because if the courts decide to say that we are issuing a temporary stay on that order that William Ruto issued of firing the Attorney General on grounds which are not explained. Mind you, one of the grounds that the petitioners say can be used to fire Attorney General, but again through some other mechanisms, is when if the Attorney General is bankrupt, if Attorney General is not of sound mind, or if Attorney General has any other challenge, or he resigns on his own volition. But if you look at this scenario, Attorney General didn't resign. He is not bankrupt and he is of sound mind. So why was he fired? We have not seen any corruption allegation, because that is one of the reasons why the Attorney General can be fired. But that has also not been explained. So there are so many questions that meet the eye. There are so many questions without answers which the court will have to unearth. And this is because of the petition filed by Dr. Magare Gikenyi. So what do you think about this petition? I'd like you to take this opportunity, go there on the comment section and offer your reaction regarding this matter. Do you agree with William Samoei Ruto? I know lots of Kenyans still clap at the fact that William Ruto fired his entire cabinet. But what about the Attorney General? Just go below the comment section and you can offer a reaction on the same. So perhaps if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, take 1 second and subscribe, like this video. Until you catch up again, stay safe and stay blessed.